Hello and welcome to this lesson. Today I want to show you how we can use clip art in MS Paint and use them to enhance the quality of what we are drawing. Clip arts are simply smaller images which most of them can be obtained from internet, and you can use it in a certain project you are doing simply because you may not be good at drawing some of the items such as trees, cars, and you want to use that picture somewhere. You could be a teacher and you want to teach about a story about cars or flowers, and you don't know how to draw good flowers, or you don't have time to draw, or you don't have equipment like graphic tablets and stylus for perfect drawing. In that case, you will have to look for a clip art image from the internet. Most of the images are free and you can use. Another point, clip art images must be smaller in size. If it is bigger, it will lose the point of using it. So always ensure your clip art images are smaller and looks beautiful, and try to edit them as much as possible to combine them with the images that you are using. I will go ahead and draw a beautiful house. Then I will borrow some clip arts from the internet and use them to include them in my drawing. You can see in this folder I have some clip art images which I downloaded from internet of a car, flowers, the sun, and the trees. I will go ahead and start MS Paint so that I'm able to draw a nice house and use clip art images to improve my drawing. The first thing always is to ensure that you have attractive border around your image. So I will use a rectangular shape and choose a size here. Then I will draw a nice compound. Then inside my drawing, I will go ahead and draw just a simple house. I will change the thickness of this line here. Then I can have my house here drawn. Then I will go ahead and split this house here. Press shift always to get a perfect line of what you are drawing. I can have a window, and a window with a frame. Once I have drawn the window, I will just copy and paste it somewhere, because I think all windows of a house look uniform. So I will click select and just copy this, then choose copy here and paste it to get a copy. I will remove these two windows, probably this other side. and I can have one here. That is okay. Then I will go ahead and draw my door. I'll repeat the same shape. Just like that. I will put a lock on my door somewhere here. Then I will do some roofing work. With straight line. So this is just a simple house, and pick this pencil and do some marks here for the roof. And I will color it, I think, red roof or just brown. Let me undo. There is a gap somewhere, so let me choose black color and a pencil and close a gap here. If there is a gap, the painting goes outside this closed area where you want to paint. Then I can have another color here. Then let me just paint my house, and maybe a blue, a yellow door. Now that is done, I will go ahead and use the Clipart images in my folder. Before I do that, let me just draw the grass. Let me choose green color and increase the thickness a bit. Draw the ground covered with grass. Just like that, and paint it green, and I will choose some white color and pencil, reduce the thickness, and I'll just do some few marks here and there. So I will now go ahead and include Clipart images in my compound. So I will just come to paste from, paste, then paste from, then it will take you to the folder where you will have downloaded your images and saved. It should be coming. Okay, I will open my Clipart images. You can start with the first tree and put it somewhere. there. Remember, when you select it, come here and choose transparent selection so that the white background does not hide anything in your drawing. I will also come here, paste from my folder, and get the other tree. It is big, so first you come to select and ensure it is transparent selection. Paste from. It is ensure it is transparent selection. Now this bigger tree, if it is too big, just reduce it at the corner. You can put it somewhere here. And I can bring also the sun and reduce its size. Maybe it is shining, and move with arrow keys, put it somewhere, and I will bring in my car. Paste from. I have a small car. Can reduce it in size. If I want to turn it, if I want the front part to point to the left, I will simply, when it is selected like this, I will simply come to rotate, then flip horizontal to change it like that. Then I have some flowers. Can put them somewhere. Just like that. Reduce the size of this flower. And put it maybe below this tree. I can choose my green color and do some improvements. So finally, you can see I have an attractive compound with a house which I drew, and I have my car there, and some trees and some flowers, and the sun is shining. And this is made possible with the help of Clipart. Try this at home and try to make yours as beautiful as you can. And see you next time. Bye bye.